Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. So I am in the process of getting ready for work, but I thought that I would film this video super quick. I'm running off of like 4 hours of sleep and like this giant ass cup of coffee, so you know, we're hanging in there. We're hanging in there. So in the mail yesterday, I received my Allure Beauty Box. This is for March of 2019, and I decided to film the opening of said box. I filmed the February 2019 box as well, but I ended up not really liking that video, and it's very hard to refilm a first impressions. In fact, it's almost impossible. So I decided I would just skip February, I'd go straight to March, and here it is. If you'd like to see what is in the Allure Beauty Box for March of 2019, then just keep on watching because I am going to show you. I'm gonna use my little stork scissors, and I'm just gonna wedge that open, and then we're gonna open up the box. Immediately there is something outside of the bag that it comes in. I'm gonna set that down for now. We're gonna take a look at the little pamphlet it comes with. I just want to quickly browse through it. I don't want to see what exactly is in this. Oh, okay, let's go through the box. I'm really excited. So the first thing that I pulled out is the microdermabrasion scrub from, I think, Derma E. Ooh, it smells kind of lemony. It's just like a white scrub. Apply to wet skin, scrub to 1 minute, rinse thoroughly. Yeah, it's just an exfoliator. But I'll definitely get used to this. I still use physical exfoliants from time to time, and I think this might be a really good one. It doesn't have like a lot of particles in it, so that'll be really good to get a good scrub without like really stripping or cutting the skin. So I'm taking the bag out of the box. It is just like a white plastic kind of bag. I'm just gonna reach in. Oh, okay, I saw a preview for the March box. This is the Au Naturel Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. This is a full size. I love cream blushes so much. Ooh, this is a pretty color. It's called Grapefruit. It's just a really pretty like rose gold type of color. It's more pink than anything, but it has like a slight like gold shift in it. It's really pretty. Next I have the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil from normal to sensitive skin. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, this is it's in a roller ball. I really hate oils and roller balls. I have a lapis roller ball over here. I don't use it. I really hate roller balls, especially with like oils. It smells really good, and I like oils. I like using them on my face. Obviously, I'm really dry right now, but I just don't like a roller ball. No need to feel blue with our antioxidant-rich Blue Tansy Oil, a concentrated blend of nourishing botanicals to soothe and refresh thirsty skin. This nighttime oil is used in place of a night cream for those seeking deep hydration and balance. I'd probably still use both. Let's be real. I don't know. I just don't love roller balls, but like I also love face oils, so we'll see. We'll see. I might use it, but I also might give it to somebody who might end up liking it more. So next I have the Biossance Squalane and Peptide Gel. It's just in like a little itty bitty mini pump. It's just, oh shit. This is, oh, it's an eye gel. I don't know how I totally missed that. Oh, it's more for puffiness and dark circles, and my main concern is dryness around my eye area because I'm a crusty desert basically. But I might use this for more of like the dark circles. We'll see. I don't know how I feel about using like 2 eye products. I'm already starting to see the effects of using too moisturizing of a product around the eyes, so we'll see how I am feeling. I may or may not reach towards this. I'll have to update you guys. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna pull another thing out of the box. This is the Mamond Rose Water Toner. I got the cleansing oil last time, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I really don't care about either of these two at all. I already have a toner that I love. I already have a cleanse off oil slash balm that I love. I did get a sheet mask from them as well from the last box, but I love sheet masks, so like I know that I'm gonna use that one, but like I will never use this, I don't think, so I'm just gonna have to give this to somebody else who will use it. I think I have two things in here. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm for sensitive skin. Oh. I'm gonna read about this real quick. Oh, here we go. Okay. A facial balm sounds scary heavy, but this one is quick absorbing. After a few days, its natural oils got rid of redness and dry spots that were making my skin look uneven and ashy. Alright, I like the sound of that. I'm gonna open it really quick, and I'm just gonna put a little bit onto the back of my hand and see how I feel about it. Oh. Oh, it smells nice. Which I know isn't like a main priority, but it does smell nice and it feels nice. It's a little ointmenty, but like that feeling dissipates really quickly. Wow, that feels really nice. I'll have to try this out maybe. I have a good night routine that I'm using right now, like a really good night routine that I'm content with, but I might like stick this in there because I actually, oh, my skin looks really good. Wow. Okay, that one's in the maybe pile. Yeah. I have one last thing here, and this is the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. I've heard good things about this. I'm just gonna read up on this really quick before I like start pumping it onto my hand. In the depth of the French volcanoes, Vichy mineralizing thermal water is a powerful active ingredient rich in 15 rare minerals, which tells me nothing. So I'm gonna see if maybe like this does 89% water. It's 89% mineral water. The water comes from Vichy, France, a city famous for its healing mineral springs. Legend has it they treat skin conditions, digestive problems, and even migraines. Oh, it has glycerin and hyaluronic acid. Oh shit, I'm dropping everything, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the back of the hand. Oh my god, oh, it's like clear completely. And it just feels really watery. Almost no scent to it. Oh, that one pump really goes a long way. Wow, that feels good on the skin though. That is really nice and like hydrating, but it dries down pretty quick. Oh, wow. I've seen Samantha Ravndal like mix this with her foundations, which I'm very much into. So I'm really excited about this. This is gonna be a fun thing to use. I would say overall with this box, I would probably give it like a solid C. The first box that I got was an A, definitely. Last month was a C, and I would say this one is probably like a C plus, bordering on like a B minus. Like if you turned in like one more of your late assignments, like it would probably be like a B minus, you know what I'm saying? The Micro Dermabrasion Scrub, yes, I will try. The Ren Overnight Recovery Balm, yes, I will try. The Vichy Mineral 89, yes, I will try. The Biosense Squalene Peptide Eye Gel, I don't know. I don't know. The Multi-Stick and Grapefruit, y'all already know I'm gonna try it. The Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tanzanite Oil. I'm gonna put this in the middle. I'm gonna say I might try it, but I also hate the rollerball applicator and I think it's trash garbage, so we'll see. And then the Mamonde Rosewater Toner, I'm gonna stick that straight into the no pile. I will say of all of the products that I received in the box, I'm really, really glad that the Au Naturel stick is the one that was full-sized. And it's like on the pamphlet, it's on like her eyes, lips, and cheeks, and you can see that really beautiful like rose gold kind of tone. Damn. I think this stick alone brings this box to a B minus, so yeah. All right, that's cool. B minus is solid. B minus is very passable. All right, you guys, and that is all that was in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a like and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. All of my social media and other links will be down below so you can follow me elsewhere. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.